Hi and welcome to Simply Web. In this tutorial series we're going to take a pre-built HTML file and we're going to convert that into a fully functioning WordPress theme. So a couple of things we're going to need to use throughout this course is I'll be using local by Flywheel, which is my local environment to develop on. You can use MAMP, XAMPP, WAMP, whatever your preference is. Just know that I will be using local and step you through setting up a site in local in the next step. We'll also be using Visual Studio Code from Microsoft as our IDE code environment, and we're going to be using Simply Blank theme, which is a theme I've developed which strips out all non-required WordPress functionalities to give us a clean admin and front end in the WP head and everything like that. And then we're also going to be using advanced custom fields, which is, there's a free version, a pro version. I will be using the pro version because I have a license for it. You can go ahead and use the free version, but there will be limitations in what fields of functionality. It is pretty much the standard. Every agency I've ever worked for, we've always used advanced custom fields, so I do recommend it. Otherwise you can also use MetaBox, which is another great premium custom field plugin available on WordPress. I've also used that a lot and had the license for that one as well. Just for this instance, we are going to be use ACF purely because my experience with agencies is that's what they look for, advanced custom fields experience. So I'm using that to give you the experience in advanced custom fields as you follow along and code along with this environment, because we're not using page builders, we are not using the block editor, we're using advanced custom fields and custom code to create a functioning WordPress theme. So in the next step, I'm going to take you through setting up the local environment. So if you haven't already downloaded and installed that, if you're not using local, you are using your own lamp stack that you choose. As I mentioned before, you can skip that next step and go through and into the next step where we set up the theme.